When you're broke, but you still want to make something fancy, I got you. This Dongpo pork is gonna make sure you fuck every Asian bitch you got in the house. And let's get it. Start from blanch the pork belly, cold water, meat in, ginger and spring onion. Bring it to boil, skin off the foam, take out the meat. Change the water, I just happen to have some leftover broth, so of course I'm gonna use it. But clean water is good enough. Some brown sugar, I mean a lot of brown sugar. Don't be afraid of making it too sweet. Some dark soy sauce for color. If you don't have it, regular soy sauce is fine. Normally I'll just use ginger slices, but I happen to have this dry ginger I got nowhere to use. It's expired, but come on little princess. Dry stuff can always hold on for another year or two. They might have lost some flavor, but they look just fine. We're broke now, we're not living in the castle anymore. What do you want me to do? Throw them away? So yeah, get them in there, bring it to boil. Meat back in, and here we go, the most exciting part of cooking this dish. Liquor. 46% or higher. Whole bottle. Oh yeah, that meat is gonna get fucked up. Anyway, if you don't have Chinese liquor, don't worry. Use vodka or any cheap liquor without any flavor. Just tastes like straight alcohol. Starny and cinnamon, spring onion, more soy sauce and a little salt. Bring it to boil again. Turn down to low heat. No lid. Braise for 3 hours. Half an hour later, you gotta take out the spring onion or it's gonna get sour. And of course, for broke heads like me, I ain't gonna waste those delicious brines, so I'm gonna add some mushroom and quail eggs just an hour before the meat is about to be ready. 3 hours later, take out the meat, chop them up. Take out the spices, meat back in. Give them a good mix. And here you have it. Dongpo pork. I don't know about your other meats, but I'm sure that Asian girl is gonna enjoy this meat.